What is that? That is a ceiling switch. Now the first thing you do is isolate the power supply downstairs, and then take that little cover off right there, unscrew that. It was painted on, so you'll have to break it loose. And then unscrew whatever's holding it on there. There's usually just 2 wires. Probably should have my drill. And then, okay, so we get this one off. And one hand is screwing. It's hard as heck to try and do it when you're looking at it in the camera. So you have to look over the top and just kind of hold the camera in the right place. Now, okay, so we got earth on there, and the line, you're just breaking the power supply in the line on the one side. So I've got my little electrical screwdriver. So what I'll do is just take these off. Where is it? When I get old, your vision is no good, but I've got no hand to hold it. That's pretty loose. Okay, so anyway, I'm taking those off. I'll get the new one out and see if the base is going to fit on that base. So otherwise, we'll have to take that base off and replace the whole thing. So see how it goes here in just a second. Find the switch. I'll come back in a minute.